we're adding all the edges and the molding. Is it called molding? Is it called molding?
Door trim.
Door trim.
And floor molding.
Floor molding, yes. Okay, inside and outside.
Yes. So if you look in here, I just cut the piece for here.
Uh-huh.
And just before that, I cut the piece for here.
Yeah.
And then this one here, we've got this here. Here's the 45. It's gonna, the little piece is gonna join in with that.
Okay, great. And now we're also filling in the nail holes with speckle.
Let's wait the door closes. Try it. You should try it.
Yeah, it's very smooth. I tried it.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's complete.
Good.
It's officially complete.
That's done.
Yeah, we had some problem with the door, but now it's fixed, and so it's
No,
it's on and off, very perfectly smooth. Okay, yay! Thank you, thank you, Paul. Thank you, Chauncey.
All this goes?
all this goes.
Okay.